I choose this topic, process management. I'm Erloven Ciego from BSIT 31B. First slide. What is a process? A process is simply a program in execution. When you open a software application like Microsoft Word, Chrome, or Spotify, the operating system OS turns it into a process that runs and performs tasks. So, each process has program code, data, resources like CPU time, memory, files, and input-output devices. Third slide. What is process management? A process management is a core function of the operating system that deals with creating, controlling, and terminating process. So, the OS makes sure each process get the CPU when needed. The second, process don't interfere with each other. And the third, the system remains fast, efficient, and stable even with many programs running. So, the fourth slide. Main activities in process management. First, process creation and termination. The OS creates a process when you open an app and ends it when you close the app. Second, CPU scheduling. The operating system decides which process run first and for how long using different scheduling algorithms. Third, process synchronization. Ensure all the process running at the same time don't conflict or access the same resources incorrectly. The fourth, inter-process communication, called IPC, allows process to share information or message safely. The last is deadlock handling. Detects and resolve case where process are stuck waiting for resources that never become available. So next example. Example, when you open Google Chrome, Microsoft Word, and Spotify, each one become a separate process. The OS divide the CPU timely fairly, so Chrome lead your page, Words let yours type smoothly, and Spotify keeps playing music all without slowing down or crashing the system. Importance of process management. So first, ensure efficient CPU usage. Second, support multitasking, running many programs at once. Third, prevent system overload and crashes. And the fourth, help maintain smooth system performance. So, in summary of process management topic, so it's like a process management is like a traffic controller of the operating system. It directs all running programs, keep them organized, and ensure that each one get the resources it needs to run properly. Last slide. Thank you. I'm Lawrence Ciego again from BSIT 31B. Salamat.